Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You act fast. Log into your cloud account on a secure computer and verify last backup timestamps so you know what to recover. Once done, lock or put the stolen phone in lost mode via Find My iPhone or Find My device to prevent new access. Make sure you call your carrier to suspend the SIM and flag the MA. This stops cloning and unauthorized data use. While these run, prepare account passwords and 2FA access methods to regain control of backups. Next, sign into the same cloud account and inspect photos' backup status and backup dates. This tells you what's available. Once you see the backed up images, export them. Choose full backup download for safety or export specific albums to an external drive to avoid clutter. Make sure to use the provider's official restore flow or a reputable recovery app. This reduces corruption risk and preserves metadata. While files download, organize folders so restoration onto a new device is clean and quick. Finally, restore the downloaded photos to your new device and verify that images open, timestamps are intact, and duplicates are managed. If you don't find expected pictures, check alternate cloud accounts, email attachments, social uploads, or any local computer backups you used. If backups are missing or corrupted, enable advanced sync settings, retry exports, and consider a professional forensic export as a last resort. If problems persist, contact your cloud provider's support with timestamps.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.